Just trying to get up for this. Welcome back, C90 Dreamers. So last week we showed you what we were going to wear to the premiere of our
few options.
Yeah. This week we thought we'd concentrate on what vehicle would take us to the premiere. You've seen celebrities in stretch limos and things, so we thought we'd look into that.
There's an obvious choice actually when you think about it.
You're confident about this, are you?
No. So Red C90's not very well. What are we going to do?
Here come some youths. They're going to bully us.
Now, guys. Is this what you get up to in your free time? Yeah, what is it for?
I don't know.
Makes it sound like a motorbike.
Is this how Harley Davidson done it?
Maybe this might be how he started. Right.
Well, you can put that one on the other side.
I'm going to go with youth on
A
this.
bit more symmetrical.